Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is the difference between modern standard Arabic and Arabic dialects. We will discuss which one to learn, what are the benefits of each, but before starting our discussion, I want to show you a video in which one of our brothers studied the modern standard Arabic, and he faced the problem in visiting in one of the Arab countries. So let's watch the video. After that, we will start our discussion.
Assalamu alaikum. First time I came to Kuwait, I couldn't speak any Arabic except for some very classical Arabic. So I was living in a flat in a place called Fahid, which is down by the coast in Kuwait, and there was a shop at the bottom of the flat called a baqala. Baqala is like it's like a corner shop, what we call a corner shop in the UK. You can get, bits and pieces that you need to survive on a day-by-day basis. So I went down there. I was very thirsty because I didn't trust the water out of the tap. I wanted to get some bottled water, so I went in and I asked for water the only way I knew how. I went up to one of the helpers in the shop and I said, "Assalamu alaikum, لو سمحت أنا أريد أن أشتري ماء." So I basically said to him, "Peace be upon you, excuse me please, I'd like to buy some water." And he looked at me like I was mental, and he said "Huh? Shino? Shino yabi?" So I was like, I didn't understand what he said either, because I was new to Kuwait. I didn't understand the slang or the dialect. And then eventually an Egyptian gentleman came and helped us out, and he translated for him, and he said, "Yabi moy," he wants water, in the slang sort of dialect. "Oh, yabi moy, minni minni," he pointed to it. "It's over here, it's over here." So yeah, that's when I realized, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on here if I want to find my way around on the ground. I'm gonna have to learn classical Arabic to achieve my goals in, maybe wanting to understand the Quran and read some classical books. At the same time, if I want to actually communicate, I'm gonna have to get down and practice with the people in the street. So yeah, that was one of my first lessons in in culture, and I think when I arrived into Kuwait.
This brother studied the modern standard Arabic, which is only used on TV news and books. The Holy Book of Quran is also in modern standard Arabic, but modern standard Arabic is not used in daily life communication. In daily life communication, they are using Arabic dialects. With the dialects, they communicate with each other, with friends and family. If you want to learn how to communicate with the people, with the local people, with your friends and family, you have to learn the Arabic dialects. As I told you, modern standard Arabic is only used on news, TVs, and books. If you talk on modern standard Arabic on the streets, the people will laugh at you and they will think you're crazy. You can compare the modern standard Arabic with the English of Shakespeare. When Shakespeare is talking on the streets to the people, it would be difficult to understand him. Now, if you want to learn the dialects, our channel provides all the videos. They are all in dialects. You can subscribe to our channel. You can watch all the videos. It will help you a lot to communicate with the people. Thank you very much for listening or watching. Please subscribe our channel.